short stuff on that. That needs to be right at your knees. Going to church on Sunday, because you need God in your life, because you're not going to be out here like one of the fast tail little girls. We're not doing that. Up your knees. We don't do that.
Because you got stockings on.
We not talking about me. We talking about you.
Oh, I didn't want mayo on it.
What would you be getting mayo on if you got a Happy Meal? Everything fresh here. Fresh? What? You don't know. Ain't no way it is. Excuse me. Y'all had one time. Y'all left my baby without her sauce. Let's go. Shit. Fuck. They got a bus sit on the floor. I can't sit down. Give me another one. Get your ass back in that house and get your charger. I don't want to hear your mouth report. Go! Shit. Every time you come with me, I got to tell you about yourself. Lock the door. And if you start all that crying shit, you can stay home. Now let's go. Get me down the stairs, baby. Straighten your face up now and help your grandma.
I ain't get the charger.
You talking back with me? Watch yourself now. We're gonna go down here and we're gonna go to this
Where we
party.
going?
Go to this party and have a good time now. Don't show your ass. You understand me? Because every time you go somewhere, you
We
see
going
the
to a party?
Yes.
Yes.
I'm gonna take you to the store and get you some candy and stuff. Get you something to eat. What you want?
I want some chips and some juice and Starburst and ice cream.
No, you overdoing it now. You only gonna get your chips and a drink. You get one candy bar. One. Don't go in that store picking up all that shit. Shit. You gonna get some McDonald's, what you want? Chicken nuggets or a Happy Meal?
Okay. Well, I'll just get a Happy Meal.
I told you about coming over here with all that short stuff on that. That needs to be right at your knees.
You didn't ever even say nothing about it.
Your mama know better than bring you, and you know it too. You want to be fast in the ass. That's why you let it go down.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
I'm hungry.
That's why you're going to church on Sunday. Because you need God in your life. Because you're not going to be out here like one of the fast tail little girls. We're not doing it.
I want some food. Huh?
Now, I done told you I was going to get you something to eat.
I want some Happy
You're not
Meal.
going to worry me. I told you I was going to get you something to eat.
What are we going?
Get your ass in the car. Come on.
You see, you being mean already.
Get in the car. You want me to kick you? Get your ass in there. Get in the car. Get in the...
My mama said...
Your mama ain't here. So get in the car.
My mama said you can't do that.
Get your...
Mom.
Oh, you gonna make me hurt you. Go on. Get in the car.
I want some food. I'm starving.
Look here now. Didn't I tell you I was gonna get you something to eat?
I'm starving though. You know,
Well, you should have ate at your mama's house before you came over here.
she told me you was gonna get me some food, and you just said that
I
too.
am, but you steady. Look here now. Let me hurry up and get to this fucking McDonald's for this girl.
I miss my mama. I miss my mama. My mama always tell me I look cute and stuff.
You are cute, baby.
But you be saying I got on a short dress.
You do. And that ain't gonna never change my mind.
But I didn't pick this out. My mom did.
Okay. I don't like it. Don't come to your grandma's house with that no more.
Well, you got on the same one.
You know what, Joe? No, I don't, baby. Mine's just go down to my knees. Yours is above your knees. We don't do that.
Because you got stockings on.
We not talking about me. We talking about you. Ooh, Grandma need to get to the store and get me a pack of cigarettes.
Grandma, you don't know you don't need to be smoking them.
You don't tell your grandma what to do. Your grandma need a
Because
cigarette.
I be telling my, you get in the car and I be in the car and you start smoking it stinks.
Don't worry about it. That's why it's not for kids.
Yeah, but it stinks. And I don't want to smell that.
Well,
My mama don't do that when I'm in the car.
you keep getting smart, little girl, and I'm telling you now.
I'm not getting smart.
You is. You back talking your grandma.
No, I'm not.
Keep on playing with me.
Oh, Grandma, can you take me to the water park?
Child,
I want to go to, it's something called Six Flags and I want to go.
Grandma ain't got no money today to go there.
You always say that, but you do.
I don't got no money. If I told you I ain't got no money, I ain't got no money. If Grandma had the money, Grandma would take you. Shit, I need a blunt. And what you had doing up there at that school? Because I heard you was messing with the boys.
I'm not messing with no boys. The boys be messing with me.
That's what I used to tell my mom. Because Grandma used to get down there. Grandma used to get in there, honey. When I was in school and I was young, all the boys used to love up on Grandma.
Yeah, but I don't be talking back with them.
Oh, please. You little kids are sneaky. I know you do.
I don't, but they be trying to DM me, but I don't say nothing back. I try to get them to text. They be trying to text me, but I don't really like.
I used to have one guy back in the day when I was in your age, Grandma giving you games so you can know. When I was back then, Grandma had, he was my best man. I loved him. His name was Gerald. Gerald? Oh, Gerald. Gerald, I used to, we used to do the licky.
What is that?
You too young for that. Grandma shouldn't have said that. But Gerald, oh man. Gerald used to rock around my world, baby. He did. Don't tell your mama I told you.
I'm telling my
you got
mama
a loud mouth.
I'm telling.
That's why I can't tell you shit, because you can't keep your mouth closed.
I'm going to tell my mama. You gonna break us.
Didn't I tell you to keep your mouth closed? But when Grandma tell you to keep your mouth closed, that's what I mean.
I can't say nothing, I guess.
You better not. I'm trying to teach you something that your mama not. Shit.
Oh, I'm hungry.
Child, hush.
Oh!
Hush.
Ow!
Hush now. Because I just told your hard-headed ass we was going to this McDonald's. And you go keep hollering it.
I don't even see no McDonald's. I don't even see one.
Princess. Keep getting smart and I'm going to pop you in your mouth. Keep getting smart, Grandma going to hit you in your mouth. Now back to what I was telling you. I'm talking about Gerald. Because you be in that school with them boys and I know you do. Because they keep calling my phone every other day about you. I know your ass is fast. And I know you like that little boy Jacob too. That you be after school with. You talking back? Is you talking back to me?
I'm not.
What you mad for? What you all frowned up for?
I'm home.
Didn't I tell you don't say it no more? Didn't I tell your ass to be quiet? Shut it up! Damn it. You don't want to listen to shit. Be quiet. Do it. Do it again. Let it go. Do it again.
Okay.
princess. I didn't even hit you that hard. The next time I'm gonna wear your ass out.
I wanna be.
Yeah, you wanna be over there with your mama because she let you hang out with them boys. You think I don't know? I do know. I'm old school, baby. I know it. I've been it up. Put that damn phone down. Your mama can't do nothing to me. You called her for nothing.
Ma, I wanna go home. No, I don't wanna wait till tomorrow.
You gonna wait. Let me see that goddamn phone.
That's
Let me see that goddamn phone. Give me the phone.
Mom!
Give me the phone. Hello? You got this girl mouth smart as a bitch. She in here back talking me, and I popped her ass. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. She in here back talking. Well, why you got this skirt on this girl? You know I don't play that. Don't bring her back over here with that skirt on. It is short. Stop frowning up. I'm sitting up here telling her I know about her being fast at the school with that boy.
Oh!
Your mama said be quiet.
Let me see.
Your mama said be quiet.
I want to talk to her.
She not talking no more. All right, baby.
No.
All right. Bye.
Let me see.
I'm taking your phone.
You don't even know how to hang it up because it's still on the phone.
We're here at this McDonald's. What do you want?
Chicken nugget.
What do you want?
Chicken nugget.
Shit. Let me get what you want?
Chicken nuggets.
How many?
4.
Let me get a Happy Meal.
With sweet and sour sauce.
A girl.
A Happy Meal?
Yes, chicken nuggets with sweet and sour sauce.
You said 4, I'm sorry.
I said 4, ma'am.
Okay, apple selection fries.
French fries.
And drink?
Give me a fruit punch or something.
Huh?
Fruit punch or something.
Fruit punch.
Yes. Yes, lady.
We don't have any fruit punch.
What type of juice y'all got in there?
Okay, what else?
That's it.
I want lemonade.
Give me a lemonade then. Fuck it.
I want lemonade.
Be quiet while I'm talking to these people. That's all.
I want a Happy Meal with lemonade. I don't want mayo. Oh, I didn't want mayo on it.
What would you be getting mayo on if you got a Happy Meal?
Hey, you got the Happy Meal?
Yeah.
That'll be 4 cents.
Yeah, baby. You as well. Thank you, my love. Shit. These damn kids. Hi, baby. Y'all got some ketchup in my baby bag. Is everything fresh here? Is everything fresh here? Fresh? Yes. Yes. You don't know. Ain't no way in hell you gave me some stuff that ain't fresh. All right, I guess it'll do. Let me have that ketchup, baby. My baby want a lemonade. It came with a drink, right? She didn't want this. No, lemonade, baby. Lemonade. Yeah.
We don't have lemonade.
What? Y'all ain't got no lemonade.
Only Coke and Fanta and KC.
All right, just give it here then. Fuck it. Thank you, love. You have a nice day, all right? Hey, y'all. How y'all doing? Y'all remember me? That's Evelyn, right?
Who?
Evelyn.
No.
Oh, on that. All right, y'all have a nice day. Bye-bye. All right, there. Yeah, here go your juice here they gave you.
I didn't want this. I didn't want a Happy Meal. I'm too old for this.
You gonna take what I bought you.
I told you 4
You gonna take what I bought you. You being ungrateful, eat that shit.
Grandma, I said a 4
I don't care.
nugget.
You got what I gave you. Shit.
And they gave me a toy.
Now, you go your toy to go to the barbecue with. Oh, shit. Uh-oh.
Dang. They gave me a
Grandma
toy.
didn't go
I
that
didn't
way.
even want no.
Quit being ungrateful, child, and eat that shit.
They didn't put my sauce in here. I told you sweet and
They didn't put your
sour.
sauce in there. Okay, I'm gonna go back and get it. Don't worry about it. Grandma gonna go
I
back.
don't have no sweet and sour sauce.
Ooh, ooh. Grandma gonna go back and get it. Hold on.
I wanted a lemonade. They don't never do stuff right. I always just said
Be
that.
quiet. Be quiet. Shit. Now I got to go in here and holler at these folks because you in here hollering at me.
Well, at least.
Be quiet. Get my purse and come on. Get all out of my car. They done forgot this girl damn sauce. Woo! Excuse me. Y'all had one job. Y'all left my baby without her sauce. Her sweet and sour, baby. Give her a sweet and sour. Hey. Let's go. Shit. Fuck. Baby, I done busted on the floor. I can't bend down. Give me another one. How many do you need? 1 or 2?
Chicken with light mayo.
Y'all have a good day, all right? Thank you, my love. Woo. How you doing?
Oh, I love this.
Good. Tastes good, baby.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You happy now?
I always said.
I shouldn't hear no more about it.
You want some?
No, Grandma, all right? Grandma gonna go down here to Popeyes.
You gonna get you some food?
Yep, going down here to get me some Popeyes. You know that's Grandma's favorite. Ooh, they mashed potatoes so good. I'm gonna have to take my teeth out to eat them though. If I don't take my teeth out, Grandma's dentures get messed up.
Well, are we gonna sit down and eat?
Grandma's knees bad, baby. I got to get in my rocking chair on the porch.
You didn't want to get out the car?
You gonna help Grandma get out the car? No, Grandma just gonna go through the drive-thru, baby. I don't want to get out.
Okay.
Grandma's knees is bad. I got that arthritis in my knees. So my knees and stuff be aching.
Grandma's so good. She's the best ever. This is so good.
Grandma only good when she getting your ass something. Other than that, Grandma me. That's all I hear you say. Grateful. That's a goddamn shame my grandkids like that.
Grandma,
What?
will you ever, when I said I wanted some lemonade, they never gave me any.
You got an apple juice. That's what they had.
I wanted one
You know what?
lemonade.
Your ungrateful ass. Take what you got and eat it. Shit.
What's two?
Drink that apple juice and be quiet. That's what they gave you. That's what you gonna drink. They didn't have it. You heard good as well as I did. That lady say she didn't have it. But I'm gonna whip you in the shade. Cause your mouth is too smart. That's what your ass going to church on Sunday. So yeah. Matter of fact, I'm gonna tell your mama that you can stay the weekend over here. Cause that attitude of yours is Grandma, you gonna get your ass whooped every time. Shit.
My mama said I can't get whoopings.
Well, it's a good goddamn thing I'm not your mother. You keep talking back. You keep talking back. Didn't I tell you quit talking back? You gonna get it every time. Now sit back. Sit your ass back. Got these folks looking at me. Eat that food and quit playing with it. You want me to hit you again?
You go to church.
Oh, you going to church? You going to church? You don't have no choice.
My mama said she coming to get me.
Your mama not coming to get you. I already told your mama. So you can stop with all that my mama said. Cause your mama not gonna do nothing to me. That's your problem. Your fucking mouth too smart.
She said I can come back over when we go out of town.
You going? Listen. You keep on talking. I'm gonna make sure your mama don't take you out of town. Cause you're not gonna disrespect me.
Because she said we were going out of town, and we are only thing we doing is had to come over. I had to come over here for today, and tomorrow when she comes.
Your mama is out of town with her nigga, taking care of her business so she can pay the bills. That's what your grandma had to do back in the day.
Yeah.
That's what I'm trying to teach you.
Yeah,
But you don't want to listen. You just want to keep talking and talking and talking.
She said we going next time. Well,
You can't go with her. Your mama is out there tricking.
what is that?
It's just when she gets some money from a man to bring it back home to pay the bills for y'all. That's what your mama doing. She tricking.
Get money from a man?
Yeah. Because these niggas ain't no good if they ain't giving you no money.
Well,
That's why your daddy,
My daddy?
That's why your daddy's not here. He ain't got no fucking money.
well, every time my mama call my daddy, he give me money. But when I call him, he don't give me money.
Yeah. That's what it's called. Cause your mama had to do something strange for a piece of change, baby. You don't know nothing about that yet, but Grandma gonna explain to you when you get a little older. your grandma pass Papa? Oh, no, she didn't. All right.
Grandma,
What?
did you forget to pay my phone bill?
Your mama gonna pay your bill.
Because every time my mama say, your grandma paying your phone bill.
Your mama gonna pay the bill this time. Shit. I got your ass every goddamn weekend. She can pay your bill.
Ew. That's nasty.
Princess, I didn't buy that shit for you to waste it. So go ahead and drink it, okay?
That's really nasty.
Drink it before I whoop your ass.
I don't like that.
That's your grandma taste it. Taste it, baby.
I'll taste it. I don't like it.
It's good. It's organic. Grandma drink it. Don't worry about it, baby. Let me see here what I
Grandma.
What?
Ooh, I want something.
No.
Give me 1 second, okay?
Okay, baby.
Grandma, they got lemonade. And they got dessert, Grandma.
You're not getting it. We went to the store.
They have dessert.
Mm-hmm.
What are you getting?
Your eyes bigger than your stomach. You all in the wrong shit. Didn't you just eat at McDonald's?
You gonna help you?
Yes. Can I get let me get the mashed potatoes, a regular size.
You want a small mashed potatoes?
Yeah, get me one of the mashed potatoes, a regular one.
Okay.
And I'm gonna take y'all got a fruit punch in there?
Fruit punch?
Yeah.
Yes.
Let me get that fruit punch, please.
Yes. Medium large?
Oh, give me a medium.
Sorry?
Medium.
Medium fruit punch?
Yes.
W?
Yes, sir.
Just one mashed potato, small and medium fruit punch, right?
Yes. Okay.
Thank you.
My grandma's the best.
$6.50 for some mashed potatoes and a drink. God damn, y'all. Y'all is high. Every time I come here, it's something different. Yeah. Yeah, baby. Thank you. Hold on, baby. I'm old. I got to hold on. Y'all got my spoon in here?
Small mashed potato?
Yep, thank you. Have a great day, y'all. Bye-bye.